Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix clan is restricted to certain account types in Clash of Clans. So the first thing, we need to understand what is this restriction and why there's restrictions to certain account types. So some clans do some restrictions to certain account types that have lower age or something like that. So if your age in your account is like 2015, some clans will restrict you because you are just a little boy and you didn't cross the right age. If you want to change that, you need to log into your Supercell Clash of Clans account. So you need to go on here and then sign into your Supercell ID. Claim your ID from here or something, log in with Supercell. So after you log in, to change your date of birth, you need to go to support IC from here, and then you need to choose the game and contact the Supercell support and tell them that you want to change your date of birth and give them a proof of your date of birth, like your ID or something like that. After that, they will change it for you. Or on another layer, you can try to change your date of birth from the in-game. But the best way to do that is doing the support method. So that's actually how you fix the restricted error in Clash of Clans. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.